I ain't did nothing like this in a long time, man. Train about to go right past me. Yeah, kind of slippery, huh? Yeah. It's fishing right here, guys. Fish. Oh. Sandbass. Sandbass? Oh, okay. Oh yeah, that's a good. Well, that's a keeper, ain't it? Throw them in that fucking ring. Don't get rid of them. Nah, don't worry. But I said don't worry about it if you ain't got it. All right, guys, I'm out here struggling, guys. I ain't lying, I'm struggling. But it's cool. You got the house. Good though. Getting out there now. Yeah, getting out there now. Yeah. It's on the bottom. My line's slack, yeah. It ain't. Yeah. Remember I got them two. I got two 1/8. Yeah. Vince a bad man, guys. You guys, Vince is a bad man. Got me one.
Got you one?
Yep.
Uh-oh.
Got me one. Got me one. I'm on. Hey, I'm on board. A good old sandbass. I got a good sandbass. I'm just shaking that big old head. I'm talking about a good one. Whoa, Lord, Jesus. Hey, it might be a bass or a catfish.
Might be a big old crappie.
Ain't no crappie. It ain't no crappie. Big old sandbass. I'm talking about a big old sandbass.
That's a big sandbass.
I should have brought a net, cause this line might. This line, man. Yeah, this line. God damn. I was like, this thing fighting like a hybrid. That's a good one? Yeah. Cause I don't... Yeah. After eating like a son of a gun, probably. I see that, boy. Yep, he probably is. I'm telling you, but you know how they go. Yeah. So he probably a 10. He got lucky, didn't he? You got him. Big old crappie too. I mean a big one. Get a camera a look at it, Ben, before you put it in the bucket. There you go, YouTube. Nice one. Heck yeah, it's nice. Appreciate it, bro. Yeah. Remember I got them two. I got two 1/8. Yeah. Well, Vince a bad man, guy. You got Vince is a bad man. Got me one.
Got you one?
Yep. Got me one. Got me one. I'm on. Hey, I'm on board. A good old sandbass. I got a good sandbass. I'm just shaking that big old head. I'm talking about a good one. Whoa, Lord, Jesus. Hey, this might be a bass or a catfish.
Might be a big old crappie.
A couple more times, but now I'm just gonna go back to mine. I can catch mine a little bit further than this. I just have to mess with him next time. That joker, look, oh, it look like it going. That joker jumping right there in front of me. What the hell? Man, what the?
Like the 5'6" one. I switched to this 8-foot and I couldn't even throw.
Yeah, what the? And I'm swinging hard as heck. It ain't even. Go ahead on, Vince. You got him, Vince? Go ahead on, brother. Bring him on in.
That's a crappie.
Feel like it. He ain't running around. He just.
Man, nah, I'm done with this, bro. Go ahead. No, you good? He came off? Ah, bro. Man, I'm done, bro. I done made you lose your crappie.
Now you ain't made me lose it. He just. Look, you got a bass. This dude ran up there and walked up there and got a bass right in front of him.
Oh, he said it's like a hey, right there, bro.
Yeah.
I threw over here. That's how you lost that crappie. You know that's how you lost it, right?
Hit him in the eye.
Yeah, it's like a spotted bass.
Nah,
He just came off.
Yeah, he just came off. Can't blame me on that one. That was a big crappie.
You can't grab that joke, can you? Let me see. Hold on. No, you probably can't bend that. Hold on. I should have brought a net out here. Hey, that's a keeper.
Yeah.
Hey, that's a keeper. I'm taking him home. 15 inches. He might break the line. Oh yeah.
That was a big old crappie. Right on top of the water.
Might be the only fish I catch. Man, old bass hit that. I ain't know. Yeah, about 15, but I ain't gonna keep it though. God, you said the game won't come out. My luck, it'd be 14 and a half. All right, guys, there you go. First fish of the day. I'm out here struggling, guys. These guys catching fish, I'm out here struggling. That's a keeper too. That's a keeper. I know what they look like, but I don't want them though. Man. Hit that joke on the bottom, huh? That big old crappie. I'm gonna set mine back up. I ain't gonna be able to fish with. Well, I catch a couple more times though. I mean, I see what you're doing. You catching and kind of holding it up in the air. You're not letting it walk. Oh yeah. Yeah, y'all on. For real? You feeling like it? Stand by. Nice, man, nice. Yeah, you got him. Good. I'm gonna let you come in first. I might be. I want to be up.
It's a crappie.
It's
It's a nice crappie.
a crappie.
Oh, no, it's a sandbass.
Yeah.
No, it's a crappie. It's a big old crappie. Look, look, look. Come see.
Ooh, nice one, brother. You good? Nice one. Make sure I ain't out. Make sure I ain't out. Am I? Oh yeah. You good? God, 2-pounder.
Nah, he ain't that big.
He close to it though. I guarantee. About 1.8, 1.8, 1.5, 1.6, 1.8. Hey, yeah, that's a good crappie. Oh, I see what you're saying. Yeah, I got a loser. Let me see. I got one loose.
I got some big sandbass.
Yeah, no, that, yeah, huh?
The sandbass is right here.
Yeah. I'm trying to look. I'm trying to. Yeah, you don't get nothing.
I get the sandbass, but I'll go right in front of me.
I be doing all that squatting and weightlifting. No knees. What? Oh, dang. All right, here we go. Shit. Ain't no crappie. This ain't no crappie. It's a big old sandbag. I'm talking about a big old sandbag. I should have brought a net, cause this line might. This line, man. Yeah, this line. God damn. I was like, this thing feeling like a hybrid. That's a good one. Yeah. Cause I don't really catch the, you know, this is new to me. Every blue, yeah.
Yesterday we saw, I saw about 30 things over there on that side.
Boom, guys. Boom. Nice big old sand bass. I'm on board. I got a bass and a sand bass. Damn, I gotta go to this dude's birthday party. You got water in your bucket? Yeah. Appreciate it. Oh. You ain't going nowhere? Don't worry about it if you do. You can't get it, don't worry about it. I don't want you to fall in there. Hold on.
I just gotta get the handle if you put that.
Hold on. It's gone. Don't worry about it. We don't worry about it, bro. Huh? Don't fall in there, bro. I'm about to say. Alright. Look. I can get another bucket. I won't be able to pull you out of there. That's all right. Yeah. Yo, guys, that was scary. That was scary, guys. Appreciate that, vid. Dang. Dude, got him. Oh, for real?
Might be a little crappie though. He was already on there.
Man, that joker pretty though, man. He pretty, man. All right, brother, we're gonna catch up, man. I appreciate it, man. Y'all take it easy. Get up these rocks. All right, guys, you gotta. I'm walking through these rocks here. 52-year-old knees. Damn, I'm doing it though. I'm doing it. Gotta lean forward when you do this. There we go. There we go. I made it. Made it, guys. All right, guys, man, my GoPro 8 done went out on me. GoPro 7 wasn't acting right, so I just time to upgrade some GoPro. I ain't gonna have a video, but here you go. Bucket full of sand bass. Fishing these rocks. Oh, Slab Hunter put it on them, guys. Slab Hunter put it on them. I'll show you the fish when we get home. Walk back to the truck. All right, guys, so this is what I do, guys. This is what I like to do. This is my passion, my God gift, guys. I'm just a vessel. As I always say, just a vessel. So here we go, guys. All Sandies, fishing Ray Roberts, and they showed up, guys. There was a lot of guys out there with crappies too. I just wasn't targeting crappies. I wanted to change it up a little bit. Unfortunately, GoPros weren't acting right, so I didn't get no video. But I did get me some fish, and I'm gonna actually clean them up and try some. Ooh, this right here is a big one, guys. That's a good sandy. And we're gonna see what those taste like. You guys have a great Sunday. Peace.